There's some curb rash right here. All right, now what I'm doing, just sanding it off down. See how it's kind of like this flat area right here is gonna be like kind of like chrome. So all the curb rash is pretty much gone, but now it's just with the final still, it's gonna be polished too. It's gonna look nice. Let's get it. So it's kind of like, let's see if I can give an example. Like, you know, I have to keep it really flat. It's gonna be all even. So circular motion, you know, take it nice and slow. Make sure, you know what you're doing. You know, it'll all come out looking nice.